Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So last week, we interrupted our month-long dive into drawing early TV anime stars to draw Goofy and his son Max to celebrate the 30th anniversary of a Goofy movie. And it dawned on me that it just wouldn't be right to not draw the breakout star of the movie, that being Powerline, the flashy, larger-than-life pop star that, while only having a couple of scenes, had a huge cultural impact. Powerline was sort of a fusion between Michael Jackson and Prince, and wore a yellow space-age jumpsuit similar to David Bowie from his glam era. Yeah, I remember that because I'm a fossil. One piece of trivia: Powerline was originally going to be called Superstar X. Sounds like Speed Racer's brother. I think they made a right choice. Anyway, as I said last week, if you're not familiar with the movie, it's very worth watching. Seriously. And in the meantime, let's draw. We're going to draw Powerline step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Powerline is roughly 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is about 4 of those tall, with his crazy hair sticking up another half head tall above that. Okay, so what do you say we get started with a roadmap for Powerline from a Goofy movie, now celebrating its 30th anniversary. So there's our roadmap for Powerline. Now before we go on to step 2, I'm going to give you the layout of our superstar using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing of Powerline. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position Powerline's eyes, nose, mouth, and body. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. All right, so let's rough out the features for a drawing of Powerline. Okay, so they're the roughed out features of Powerline. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw on the final details of Powerline. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now would be the time to take a moment and look at your drawing while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before you commit to drawing those final lines. But even after you begin those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing of Powerline all the way until the very end. Okay? So what do you say we draw in the details for Powerline? And that's how you do it. There you have it, the one and only Powerline from a Goofy movie, now celebrating its 30th anniversary. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn Powerline before, you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our drawing of Powerline during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Powerline. And with that, you can draw him again and again. And by all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Powerline. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.